Washington, AP. President Donald Trump's administration is seeking the Supreme Court to uphold a controversial birthright citizenship order that would exclude children born to parents who are illegally or temporarily in the U.S. from being American citizens. This appeal, shared with the Associated Press on Saturday, sets the stage for a high-stakes legal battle that could determine whether such citizenship restrictions are constitutional by early summer. The ruling hinges on whether the president's plan, designed to limit the rights of undocumented immigrants' children, aligns with the 14th Amendment's intent to protect the rights of all citizens, including former slaves. The lower courts have so far blocked the order from taking effect anywhere, but the Republican administration is not asking the justices to let it take hold until a definitive ruling is made. The Justice Department's petition has been shared with lawyers representing parties challenging the order, though it has not yet been officially filed with the Supreme Court. A decision on whether to accept the case may take months, with arguments likely to begin in late winter or early spring. Solicitor General D. John Sauer criticized the lower court's rulings, calling them unlawful and undermining our border security. He argued that the decisions granted American citizenship to hundreds of thousands of individuals without proper justification, effectively stripping their rights. Meanwhile, American Civil Liberties Union ACLU lawyer Cody Wolfsey, representing children affected by the policy, declared the executive order illegal full stop, emphasizing that the administration's plan violates the Constitution's 14th Amendment, which was designed to ensure that all citizens, including Black Americans, have the right to citizenship. The order, which was signed on the first day of Trump's second term, upends over 125 years of legal precedent under the 14th Amendment, which originally granted citizenship to anyone born in the U.S. with limited exceptions. Lower courts have repeatedly struck down the order as unconstitutional, even after a Supreme Court ruling in June that restricted the use of nationwide injunctions. While the court curbed the use of injunctions, it did not rule out other court orders with nationwide effects, such as class action lawsuits or state-level challenges. The justices have not yet decided whether the underlying citizenship order itself is constitutional. However, every lower court to examine the issue has concluded that Trump's plan violates the 14th Amendment, which was meant to guarantee citizenship for all, regardless of race. The administration argues that children of non-citizens are subject to the jurisdiction of the U.S. and thus not entitled to citizenship, a stance that has drawn sharp criticism. The administration is appealing two cases, one involving a group of states suing over the order, and another in New Hampshire, where a federal judge blocked the policy in a class action lawsuit. The Ninth Circuit in San Francisco ruled in July that states needed a nationwide injunction to prevent the chaos caused by inconsistent application of birthright citizenship. In July, a New Hampshire judge also blocked the order in a lawsuit involving all affected children. Birthright citizenship, which automatically grants U.S. citizenship to anyone born in the country, includes children of mothers who are illegally present. This principle, enshrined in the 14th Amendment's first sentence, has long been a cornerstone of American law. The administration claims that children of non-citizens are not subject to U.S. jurisdiction, but critics argue this undermines the nation's founding principles. As the legal battle unfolds, the question remains, will the Supreme Court uphold a policy that many see as a threat to the very fabric of American democracy? The outcome could reshape the future of immigration and citizenship for generations to come. Stand up for truly independent, trusted news that you can count on.